Good evening. Have you heard of the quote? The more you celebrate life, the more there is in life to celebrate. And I am so happy that it is a time of festivities and we have another reason. Of course, we don't need a reason to celebrate, but now there are reasons coming our way to celebrate, and we getting out of the lockdown mentality. Of course, the lockdown has been lifted and now we have to be proactive. But yes, more than being proactive, we all have to be responsible. That is something I would remind again and again, even though we all know it. But sometimes because we're so bored that we tend to be a little reckless. So my message is never to be reckless. My message in every conversation is to be responsible. But being responsible, you also have to be proactive. When the going gets tough, you cannot stop being proactive. You cannot stop being an action taker. And there were a set of people who had stopped taking action towards their health. They were so overwhelmed by everything that was happening that they were not taking their vitamin supplements. They were eating whatever was convenient to eat, or whatever their mind, whatever their mood said that they want to eat or they want to cook. They were not applying their sunscreens or moisturizers or using exfoliation. And a lot of people have come back with dull looking skin that has lost its glow, and now it occurs to us that it is time that we get back. We take Diwali as one of the reasons for us to get back to taking care of ourselves, to being the best version of ourselves, and we will do it in such a way, being the best version of ourselves in terms of amazing skin, hair and body shape. Of course, these are just the external elements to be the best version of ourselves, but they do matter. And if the approach is inside out, we could use these as measuring elements. My skin glow could be a measuring element of my internal health, which I always talk about, awesome inside out. And today I'm going to be telling you how you can start your journey back to your radiant skin, even if you haven't been taking care of your skin in the lockdown. If in the lockdown you got so bored or you got so overwhelmed that taking care of your skin did not seem as a priority then, and now you realize that your skin is not looking as glowing as it does when you take care of it, and now that some amount of socializing has begun, we are meeting our near and dear ones. We definitely going to wish a lot of people on video calls for Diwali, and your skin is most of what is seen on your video call. Your skin is like 80% of your selfie most of the time. So it's important that your skin looks fresh, your skin looks vibrant, that your skin looks healthy. Your skin is going to do the talking, and I am going to tell you how you can take care of your skin in less than a week. And yes, I'm going to tell you how you can do this without stepping out of your home. I like to keep it simple because the more simple I keep it, I know that people then take action to what is simple. So I'm going to tell you two simple tips that will be suitable to all of you, whatever your age is. These two things are going to help you bring some amount of radiance to your skin depending on what your current skin health is. But definitely within 7 days you will be able to see some amount of detanning, some amount of dead skin removal, some amount of radiance, some amount of freshness, some amount of glow in your skin, and I am sure you want to know what this is. So the first thing that you must start doing if you haven't been doing regularly, and let this be the beginning of some good habits that take care of your skin. So I am not talking about things like bleach, I am not talking about quick fixes, I never talk about quick fixes. I show up on Instagram twice a week, and I show up every Tuesday and every Thursday, and I talk about awesome inside out principles. And this itself shows that if you follow me, if you follow my conversations, you will understand that I am somebody who is looking at superlative results for myself, superlative results for my tribe. But I know that great things may take time, not that it takes too much of time. Of course, once you start doing the right thing, you start seeing results, you will be able to see a difference every week. If there is a bigger goal you have set, you will be able to measure the results every 6 weeks. But yes, the progress begins very, very early. But to reach our goal, many times it takes few months, it takes even a few years. But believe me, if you do the right thing with persistence and consistency, it is definitely worth it. You get transformational results. You get the results that only 20% of the people are getting today. So you would have heard of the 80-20 principle, that 20% of people are getting superlative results and 80% of people are getting average to mediocre results. And these 20% people who are getting superlative results, they have some secrets, and those are the secrets I am going to be sharing with you today and in all my conversations. These are the best practices, and these are not just from the books, because now I have over 11 years of experience as the founder and the thought leader of Skin Sense Aesthetic Clinic, where we have worked with men and women of all ages, with all kind of mindsets, with different kind of schedules, different budgets, different challenges, and we have helped them all get amazing skin, hair and body shape at any age. And we have always used the principle of awesome inside out, and what I will be sharing with you is exactly what has worked for them, the best practices that are easy to implement, that are easy to follow over a long period of time, that have absolutely no side effects, and that give very, very good results. Yes, I also believe in value for money, but for me, value for money does not mean cheap. Value for money means that whatever you're investing, you are getting the proper amount of result for it. No time or money of yours goes to waste. And I also know that whenever we start a regime, especially a regime that wants us to look good in the mirror, we have some expectations around it. Many times we even start a regime because we have a special function around the corner, and if that regime doesn't work for us, it can be very annoying, it can be very irritating. That is the reason whatever I share with you, I am sure that it is guaranteed to work. I am sure that it will not give you any kind of temporary or permanent side effects or irritations on your skin, because I do understand that if you're following my advice, you are probably looking forward to a special event, and I am sure that I am going to add delight to your days and not make you have any kind of irritations. I do not believe in self-medication at all, because I believe that when there is an expert in any area, and that expert, you may know a lot, you might have read a lot, you may say I know this and I know this, but an expert definitely knows those smaller nuances which you may not be aware of. And like they say, God is in the details. The more details you understand and the more perfect fit you get in, you are going to get incredible results. So even after this conversation, even after learning some best practices, yes, I will be telling you things that you can take action on and you can even do at home. But if you want this to do at home things personalized for you, like a designer wear is made exactly to your fit. So if you want these best practices to be made exactly to your fit, then it's a good idea to talk to a doctor who specializes in aesthetic medicine, to talk to a dermatologist, and you can even talk to me, because Skin Sense has absolutely free telephonic consultations all of 2020. The whole intention is to remove the inertia that people have. So people have an inertia of moving out of the house, people have an inertia of spending a lot of money, because the energy somehow has made people kind of shrivel up and not open up much. Though I'm very happy to say that a lot of people are now taking steps out and saying that we got to start now to be prepared for 2021. So if I want to be the best version of myself in all aspects in 2021, I at least need to invest 6 weeks in preparation, and so this is the absolute best time to start. So thank you very much for all of you who have joined in, and I love those smiley hearts that all of you share with me. It really makes me smile in my heart, and you can see the glow on my face. I think thank you so much. You are also responsible for the glow on my face. Your feedback is responsible. Thank you everybody for sharing my post, for writing to me, for telling me that I make a difference. So all of you definitely know that it's important for every person to feel that that person is making a difference, and somebody needs to tell them that yes, what you shared did make a difference, did help me make my life more fun and easy, did give me the results I want. So your feedback is the most important to make these conversations better and better and most aligned to you. So hello, I can't get your name, so I'll just say a hello and I'll directly dive into the topic of today, that what are the 2 steps that you can take, whether you're male or female, whatever age you are, so that you can get a better glow, you can get more fresh, you can get the removal of tan in your skin, even though you have not taken proper care of it in the last 6 months or so. So the most important thing I want you to do is exfoliation. So exfoliation is something like removal of dead skin. So those of you who haven't gone for a haircut in the last 6 months know that even if you go for a general haircut, even if you trim the ends which have got too damaged, you will see that your hair looks much better with that just one step of going for a haircut. Similarly, your skin needs exfoliation. There is a lot of dead skin built up, especially if you're over 35 years of age. It becomes very, very important. Thank you for saying that you can't hear me. Is it better now? Am I audible now? So thank you for that feedback, and I'll be a little louder. So in case I'm not audible, please let me know. So the first thing I would want all of you to do is have a regular exfoliation regime into your days, because unless your dead skin is removed, if there is a dead skin build up on your skin and you're using the best serums, the best products, the best masks, the best brightening things, they will just form a layer on your skin. They will not be able to touch the skin that needs the nourishment. Your skin will not be able to absorb the nourishment as well as you want to, and then just applying a pack which has some whitening agents or some whitening powders or some pearl powders and just looking good for that day could be a good idea. But then why would you want to go for a temporary quick fix that is not nourishing your skin, when in the same effort, in the same money, you can go for something that nourishes your skin, and skin that is nourished is definitely going to glow. So I want your glow to be from inside of you, because your skin is nourished and not because you have applied a pack which has a pearl powder, and that coating of the pearl powder is making you look a little fairer or a little more glowing. Would you resonate with me on this, that let us always think inside out, because looking good on Diwali is something that's important to us, but it's equally important to us to look good every day, glow 365 days a year. And if there can be a simple method in which you can glow 365 days a year, why would you not choose it? So one of the tips or one of the strategies, I wouldn't like to call it a tip because a tip comes in a casual conversation, but what I am telling you is from experience, what I am telling you is from knowledge, and this is a definite best practice or a strategy. Regular exfoliation. All of you know about exfoliation. Whenever you go to a salon for a facial, it begins with a cleansing and an exfoliation. But here I would want to tell you that exfoliation once in 3 weeks or once in 4 weeks is not enough, especially if you're over 35 years of age. If you're under 35 years of age, also exfoliation is going to help you, because you want to free your skin of the clogged pores. You want to remove the whiteheads and blackheads of your skin. In the age of 18 to 35, a lot of people have a little or a lot of whiteheads and blackheads, and a simple way to dislodge that whiteheads and blackheads without letting them form into pimples is exfoliation. And if you're over 35 years of age, the skin rejuvenation has gone down, the skin renewal has gone down. When we are younger, we know that our hair grows faster, we lose weight faster, and once we cross 35 years of age, it is slowing down. So the dead skin removal, which happens automatically in all of us, the process is slowing down from the age of 30. From the age of 35, it's becoming quite visible that if we do not take proper care of our skin, there is a dead cell layer on our skin which can be removed with exfoliation. So the simple exfoliation trick that I would give you is, add every week, at least once a week, take your face wash and add 1/4 spoon of sugar in your face wash, because we do not want too harsh an exfoliator. So sugar will work as an exfoliator as you start scrubbing your neck. Yes, I always say this. I see a lot of people not take care of their neck area and their neck looks very aged. Even they do not take care of their hand area and their hand looks very aged. So I would want you to now start focusing on your hands, start focusing on your neck, and start focusing on your whole face, where you add 1/4 spoon of sugar granules and you start exfoliating. If you haven't exfoliated in a while, I think this week before Diwali, I would want you to exfoliate at least twice a week. You can do this. It can be a 5-minute procedure where you can gently, without being too harsh, just exfoliate. It will not hurt you because slowly and steadily the sugar granules will keep dissolving and they will give you a nice exfoliating effect. This is called as physical exfoliation, and physical exfoliation has been used over years. It's like a dadi maa ka nuska, but sometimes we forget to do it. We do it only when our skin feels dull, and then suddenly when you realize that your skin is feeling dull and today you want to exfoliate, that may remove your dead skin on that day, but regular exfoliation has many more benefits. Do you know what those benefits are? Regular exfoliation is going to keep your skin rejuvenation high. The more you keep removing your dead cells, the more your skin creates new cells, and you can stay younger for longer. You can prevent pigmentation if you put in the practice of regular exfoliation in your regime. But yes, if you're scrubbing too hard, if you're using a very rough particle, then that can cause more pigmentation, because something you should never do to your skin is make it irritated. We need to handle our skin with love. So be careful with the exfoliation, use the right exfoliator, and because I promise to tell you something that you will be able to do without stepping out of home, that is the reason I am telling you that you can even begin right now, because well begin is half done. Rather than waiting to go buy an exfoliant or say that I will buy an exfoliant when I go to XYZ place, I think you should at least start with a sugar scrub tomorrow. Do it twice before Diwali and then apply whatever product you are applying. You will see that the same product penetrates better and the same product gives you better results. So please do this and write to me if you saw the results of this. I have many more such strategies that you're absolutely going to love, but I am going to share them to you when you write to me saying that yes, you are an action taker, you did take action on this and you did see results. Now after this, the second thing that I want to tell you about exfoliation only is that physical exfoliation is good, but chemical exfoliation is a lot better. So physical exfoliation has its limitations. Chemical exfoliations has far more benefit than a physical exfoliation. So what is chemical exfoliation? Chemical exfoliation is when you use an acidic substance on your face, and this acidic substance, because of its pH is the acidity of a substance, dissolves the dead and damaged skin, and because it dissolves the dead and damaged skin, it dislodges the dead and damaged skin and it gives you a cleaner skin. Your dead skin is removed and you look so much brighter. This is the concept in which dermatologists use to do peels. All of you have heard of skin peels or chemical peels. They are called as chemical peels because they are chemically stabilized substances, but most of them are fruit acids. So chemical exfoliator is a fruit acid which is stabilized, and the stabilized fruit acid can be applied to your face, left over for like 30 seconds and gently used to massage it. This chemical exfoliator has a low pH. It is an acidic substance, and an acid has the ability to dissolve the dead and damaged skin. But this being a fruit acid or a very, very safe and a very, very stable acid, it will dissolve only the unwanted dead and damaged skin. So if you can get a chemical exfoliator, there are a lot of chemical exfoliators available in the high-end pharmaceutical market. But being a doctor, I will not be able to reveal any product names in my conversations because that is unethical, and also a proper product has to be prescribed to you after the proper match. And I did tell you that you can consult with a skin sense doctor and you can find the right chemical exfoliator for you, and this is going to be absolutely free. But I wouldn't want to just share it because one size does not fit all. One size may give everybody some results, but what I stand for is superlative results, for awesome results. Skin Sense, one of the core values is excellence, because of which I would want to customize or personalize the chemical exfoliator that you should use. And I would also like to tell you the do's and don'ts while using a chemical exfoliator after understanding your age, your skin type, your lifestyle. And I would also want to tell you exactly how many times should you use that chemical exfoliator to get the results that you desire and you deserve. So the names of the chemical exfoliator I will be sharing with you. If you get in touch with me, if you want to know how to get in touch with me, you can fill a form on www.skinsense.co.in. That's my website, where we have a free consultation form. It's a telephonic consultation, and in this consultation, a skin sense doctor will talk to you on the phone for 30 whole minutes. It's a structured consultation. It's not a casual consultation. Before the consultation, you will have to answer a few questions that helps us understand your needs, desires, and problems. You will have to send your photograph, which we can zoom and have a look at, and we can understand the current health of your skin. Sometimes we would even ask you if you have any blood tests that you have taken in the last 6 months. We'll be happy if you can share it with us, because things like thyroid, things like polycystic ovaries, things like insulin resistance, which is a pre-diabetic condition, all of this has its impact on skin and hair. So what we do is a complete holistic approach to making you healthy from within and making you glow from the outside. So today's takeaway is exfoliate. Secondly, if you can move from a physical exfoliator to a chemical exfoliator, you will be very, very happy, because in the same time and the same kind of money investment, you will see much more results, many more benefits. After exfoliation, I have one more secret to tell you, or one more hack to tell you, is that you must moisturize. So there are so many products you can use. You can use whitening products, you can use brightening products, you can use turmeric based products, you can use vitamin C, but then all these are important, but the most important, and even more so because we are proceeding towards the winter, and even if we were not proceeding towards the winter, we are almost for 14 to 16 hours of every day. Many of us are spending time in the AC, so our skin is in an environment which causes it to dry, and this dryness of the skin is causing early aging. Dryness of the skin causes so many other problems like pigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, and so much more. The number one reason why the skin loses its glow is because it does not have enough moisture. So my second thing that I want to tell you, because today it's only about sharing the two most important things. I could share 20 things, but then that will just cause overwhelm. But when I share two things, I know that I'm making it easy for you to take action. And my conversations are not just about knowledge. My conversations are about empowering you with action. And that is the reason my second secret that I want all of you to do is use a very, very good moisturizer. And in the moisturizer, if you can lay your hands on a serum, it will be even better, because a whole moisturizer contains a base, it contains a stabilizer, it contains too many things, and it also contains some percentage of the actives. But when you go for a serum contains a large percentage of actives. A serum contains a base which does not occlude, which does not just form a layer, but which enhances penetration. So I would invest in a serum whenever I want skin glow. Rather, I use a serum all 365 days a year, and I would want to tell you that even though it is more expensive than a lotion or a cream, it is not that expensive that a person who cares for their personality cannot afford it, and it justifies the cost because it is full of actives. There are many, many serums available in the market. But what I would want to tell you, for the Diwali glow, for the Christmas glow, for the New Year glow, for a glowing 2021 is invest in a hyaluronic acid serum. I have said this before, but like I said, many of my conversations do contain some golden nuggets which may sound repetitive, but no, I do not repeat what I have to say because I have less to say. In fact, there is so much that I could share with you, but I do not want to talk about the less important things at the cost of not talking about the more important things. And I believe that it's important to keep telling you how important it is to use a moisturizer and how awesome hyaluronic acid is as a moisturizer, that I think I've been repeating it so many times in the last 1 month. I have said it so many times, and I hope you're not bored of listening to me saying it, because I'm not bored of saying it, because I know that even if one person transforms after listening to it a couple of times, they will thank me for it. Their skin will thank them for it, because hyaluronic acid is a substance which not just gives you an instant glow, but it gives you an instant glow because of moisturization, which means it makes your skin healthy on the inside, and that's why it's glowing. And skin that is healthy on the inside will have three benefits, minimum three benefits that you would love to hear. One is the chances of pigmentation go down. In a well moisturized skin, it doesn't pigment that bad. Skin pigments because it is irritated. If there is enough moisture in the skin, it is going to pigment a lot less. A good moisturizer is automatically going to make your eyes look better, your dark circles look less, your lines under the eyes look less. For those of you who like to wear makeup, you know that once you form lines under the eyes, it's very difficult to do a makeup, because all the makeup settles under the eye area and makes you look even worse after you apply makeup. So you need to make very sure that you do not have too many fine lines on your face, especially in the under eye area. And one single product, of course there are so many products. I've done a whole video on taking care of the area under the eye, but today I'm going to keep it simple, and I'm going to talk about two products that are going to help even the under eye area. It's a hyaluronic acid serum. Of course, you can buy creams that contain hyaluronic acid. Even if you buy a vitamin E based cream, you will still see some kind of results. But since we're talking about the best practices, I would want you to invest in a hyaluronic acid serum. And if it's a low molecular weight hyaluronic acid serum, so the low molecular weight means that the particle size are a lot lesser, and the lesser the particle size, the better the penetration. So what we are looking at is good penetration into the skin, not just forming a layer on top of the skin. So that is the reason we're talking about serums, and we're talking about products of low particles, small particle size or low molecular weight. It is easy to find a low molecular weight hyaluronic acid serum. It is not a very expensive product, though there are many companies making hyaluronic acid. Depending on the quality of the hyaluronic acid, the size of the hyaluronic acid, the stability of the product, there are products available from 700 rupees onwards and go all the way up to 15,000 rupees. But you can begin with anything that makes you feel comfortable, because anything you use in skincare, especially if you're over the age of 35, you must know that we are living in unnatural circumstances. We have a lot of stress. We are aging faster than ever, and these products will have to be care products. These are not cure products, which means that you may have to repeatedly invest in them. You may have to buy them once they are over. Once you buy a bottle of a product, it typically lasts for 6 weeks to 8 weeks, after which you have to again go back and invest in the product. So you can choose your budget. In fact, when you're talking to a doctor, I find a lot of people not sharing the exact budget that they have in mind when it comes to skincare. But I think it's a very healthy practice for you to share the exact budget that you have in mind, because unless you communicate clearly what exactly are you looking for. So I talk about setting skin goals. I have made a wonderful video on setting skin goals on my YouTube channel. So those of you who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would request you to go have a look at it. It's called I Love Skin Sense. My name is Dr. Shweta Iyengar. If anybody has recently joined in and doesn't know this, and my aesthetic clinic name, I'm the founder and thought leader of an aesthetic clinic, Skin Sense. So you can Google Dr. Shweta Iyengar or Skin Sense. I add 4 videos every week, and these videos are all videos that empower you with curated knowledge, with best practices about skin, hair, body shape and immunity. And I am sure you will find some answers to your questions, or some answers to problems that have been nagging you. Some of those answers you will definitely find it there. So there I have said about how important it is to set skin goals, how important it is to review and track those skin goals. At the same time, it is important to communicate to the person who is taking care of your skin. And I'll be very happy if you make a doctor your beauty partner. And why I say this is because beauty is not skin deep. It is not just about the surface of the skin. The surface of the skin is influenced by, or make what the things that make a difference to how your skin looks is your nutrition, your hormones, your circulation, your genetics. So there are so many elements that come together and ensure that you have good looking skin, and a doctor understands best about nutrition, about genetics, about hormones, about any kind of underlying other problems, about your digestion. So it's always a good idea to go to a doctor and to make a doctor your beauty partner. And when you make your doctor your beauty partner, it's a very good idea to tell the doctor how much time can you invest, how much money can you invest, and what are the exact results that you would love to get. You can have a professional conversation with the doctor, and once both of you are aligned, the doctor understands your needs, desires, and problems, it's going to be extremely easy to make a customized regime for you. And if that regime is easy to do, fits into your schedule, and also is value for money according to you, fits in your budget, then you're definitely going to be committed to that regime, and people who are committed to the regime get incredible results. So this is not something new that I am telling you. Everybody knows that one has to be committed to get incredible results, but unless it's fun and easy for you, unless it's in your budget, you will not be committed to that regime. So it's a very good idea to not have that hesitation, but to have a very, very open professional communication with every caregiver. Does this make sense? So I saw a lot of hearts coming up. So thank you so much for resonating with this. So before I sign off, let me share something that you could use. Whatever you learned today, if you are going to write it on a piece of paper, the top 3 learnings from today's conversation, and you could send it to me on personal messenger, or you could write it on the comments of Instagram, because every week I reward one of the people who is a learner, somebody who loves scientific care. I reward one person with gifts worth 9,999 rupees. Yes, you can be from anywhere in the world, because these gifts will reach you and you will be able to use these gifts wherever you are in the world. So one lucky winner will get a gift worth 9,999 every week. And who doesn't love gifts? And this gift is for your learning. Believe me, if you write down what you learned, if you share it with me, you're kind of imprinting it in your mind, and the chances of you doing what you learned, you taking action on what you learned, is going to be much more, because otherwise we may tend to get busy and you may feel that let me start this tomorrow, and we all know from school days that tomorrow never comes. So let us take an action, and whenever you find a point that I say that resonates with you, that makes so much sense, I would like you to type it in the comments, because by doing this, by active learning, this is called as active learning, when rather than just listening, you're participating, and by active learning, the chances of you taking action go up by a huge percentage, and when you take action, you do get the results. That's my promise. So my final gift to you before Diwali is that if you do all of this, great. But if you want to do something else, you want me to give you a home remedy, you want me to give you something from your kitchen, because I know how much people love remedies from the kitchen. I want to give you one wonder ingredient which is going to add glow to your skin, which is good for both men and women, which is even suitable for people with acne prone skin. So absolutely anybody can use it. It is using honey as a pack. So whatever you have been using as a pack, everybody has their favorite pack. Somebody uses besan, somebody uses milk powder, somebody uses oats. So whatever ingredients you're putting in the pack, I want you to use 1 teaspoon of honey and mix those ingredients together, because honey is one of the most wonderful, one of the most nourishing ingredients I've found on skin. Once you use honey in your face pack, the hydration of your skin increases, and this whole conversation is about taking responsibility for the hydration of your skin. You will not be able to get better hydration of your skin just by drinking water. Sorry to burst the bubble. That doesn't mean you should not drink enough water, but water is just a hygiene factor. It's something we all need for all the body processes, for detoxification. But just by drinking water and drinking 3 and 4 and 5 liters of water, your skin is not going to glow, your skin is not going to get better hydrated. The skin gets hydrated when there are enough amount of essential fatty acids in the skin, when your skin can hold water, not just drinking water. And hyaluronic acid is that wonder ingredient. But another wonder ingredient from your kitchen is honey. So you could make your face packs either from kitchen ingredients, or if you have some face pack lying at home, or if you have a multani matti or a chandan or whatever works for you, remember to put a spoonful of honey in it and then you mix it, and that spoonful of honey with in your face pack, you can apply it on your face. Repeating again, please apply it on your neck too. You can just take honey with your little finger and even apply it around the eyes. I have seen people get brighter eyes instantly by using honey. So please use it and tell me. Honey drink water. Honey drink water, yes, there are a lot of benefits of drinking honey water, but we will keep that conversation to another time. So those of you who think that by drinking honey water you will lose weight, no, you will not. Honey is a very high calorie substance. Honey is like sugar only. So if you're trying to lose weight, then you must talk to an expert if in your whole regime honey water fits in. Other than that, I love honey because it is full of antioxidants, but yes, it has a lot of calories too, and drinking honey water does have its benefit, but it does not have a direct benefit on skin. Today I'm telling you about something which will give you direct benefit on your skin, and by doing it 2 to 3 times in the next week, you are going to see a more glowing skin. You are going to get compliments for your skin this Diwali season. So then that will be at least 2 times this week. Apply a face pack with your favorite ingredients, but do not forget to mix in honey in it. If you can, buy a hyaluronic acid serum and start applying it twice every day. Once is enough, but because we haven't taken care of our skin and we are looking at quick results and we are looking at visible results, you can apply it twice every day, once under your sunscreen and once under your night cream. If you do not want to buy that also and you just want to do good with a moisturizer, I hope you're using a face moisturizer which has a lot of actives. Do not use a random body moisturizer on your face. Sometimes that may cause you to break out, and some other times it may just have a lot of occlusives that makes you look temporarily moisturized, but that does not nourish the skin. So at least invest in a face moisturizer. Oats and vitamin E are good substances to look for in a moisturizer, and apply that moisturizer 2 times a day, or even maybe 3 times a day if your skin is very dry. Again, reminding you, go as low as the neck, apply on the back of the hands, because these areas age very fast, and then if they show signs of aging, despite you looking amazing, people can notice. It is in the details that you look perfect. So do not forget to do this. It just takes a minute more, and it's a matter of habit. You haven't done it, so you keep forgetting to do it. If you do it regularly for maybe 15 days and you start seeing the benefits of it, then it will kind of become a habit and you will unconsciously start doing this. So thank you so much for listening to me, and before I sign off, I want to tell you that if you are looking at something even better than this, you do not even want to do any of this, and you still ask me, I have just 1 week, can you do something for me? Yes, at SkinSense we do have medical facials. We are proactive and responsible, so we are completely operational. All our safety standards are absolutely in place, and all our medical facials are no touch facials. They are done with laser devices, and laser devices are self-sterilizing devices. So it's absolutely no chance of any kind of infection transmission. So those of you who want a medical facial, just write to me saying, I want medical facial, and I will personally invite you. I will send you an invitation for a medical facial before Diwali, and you can experience the magic of a medical facial with SkinSense. Looking forward to pamper you, looking forward to add more beauty in your life, and you can also join me on my mission to scientific awareness to be awesome inside out, to change the whole approach to beauty as being healthy at a cellular level and looking beautiful as a bonus. If you resonate with this, share this video, ask your friends to join in. I come live every Tuesday and Thursday 9 to 9:30, and I have action oriented topics on wellness, on beauty, on good skin, on good hair, and on a good body shape. Neetu, you will have to write to me on Messenger, because in this comment list it will get lost. I hope you understand, because a lot of people will be watching this live later on also, and then from all areas comments start coming in, and I'm sorry, sometimes I tend to miss it. But definitely if you send me a personal message or you write to me on Dr. Shweta at skinsense.co.in, which is my personal email ID, which I personally answer to, I will make sure that you are invited to SkinSense, and I pamper you with a medical facial, and you are delighted. So thank you, Neetu, for being proactive and writing that. Thank you so much for being here. kindly use what I have shared with you, the strategies that I have shared with you. Aren't they really simple? And I promise they are super effective and they're not even expensive. And don't forget to share the feedback with me, because it is your feedback which makes me bring this energy up every 2 days and come to you and share my learnings with you, because when I know I'm making a difference, it's a different kind of a high. Thank you very much. Have a superb night and looking forward to see you on Tuesday. With any specific topic you want me to speak about on Tuesday, I will be speaking about that. For now, the topic that many people have requested me is underarm darkness. A lot of people have dark underarms, and since all of us wear sleeveless clothes, having dark underarms is a cause of embarrassment for many people, and there are specific steps that you can take. First, I would like to tell you why do people have dark underarms, so that if you're making any of those mistakes, you can stop making them. And then I'm going to tell you how you can lighten your underarms in a simple way. I will always tell you something that you can do right at home without stepping out of house in your budget, and then I'll tell you about the celebrity ways that give you superlative results too. So thank you for that heart, Neetu. Looking forward to see you. Thank you all of you who joined me on my live, asked me questions and shared your love with me. Looking forward to see you on Tuesday and to share with you what you may be doing wrong that is making your underarms dark and how you can get rid of it. Thank you again.